Check it out, YouTube. Listen. I got something in the mail, as I normally do. Got something in the mail. Oh, snap. Got a pen, a gold pen. Okay. Nobody needs that. Ew, snap. Oh, snap. Let me show you guys these pictures. Wow. Wow. That's dope. Hey, I remember her. She came out and got a haircut. She was from like Jamaica or something, like somewhere far. Oh, snap. A book? Okay, she got a letter and a book. Okay. My Jeezy cut experience. It says the beginning on the front. Oh, snap. This is pretty dope. Maybe just a little nervous. Dang, okay. Okay, I feel like I'm doing I'm not gonna go through all of these. But hey, dang. It was such an honor meeting you last summer. I've been trying to reach you on social media, but unable to. So yeah, disclaimer. Listen, I apologize to everybody that has been trying to reach me on social media and haven't got through. I get a lot of DMs from thousands of people, okay? It's kind of hard to get back to everybody. So the best thing to do is do what she did. Send me a letter, you know what I mean? To the shop. You know what I mean? This is the best way to get in contact with me, because basically she got through. Please sign this. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, she wants me to sign the book, so right now I'm about to go and sign this book and probably sign a couple of these photos, and yeah, let's get into it. Oh no, what happened? The pen is dried out. Dang, the pen dried. Oh snap, no it didn't. Dang, the pen dried out. So check it out, man. I gotta back out. Hold on, let me see. Okay, back out. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think she sabotaged me, okay? The sabotization is real. Look at the pen. Look at what it's doing to the desk, ladies and gentlemen. To the desk. Oh my God. What are those? What are those splatters everywhere? My God, I'm trying to write with that pen. It doesn't work. Goodness, I mean it worked on here pretty good, but not really. But golly, splattered everywhere, like man, oh my, all over the walls, all over the walls. Look what he did, he shit all over the wall. Look at my hand. I gotta figure out a way to finish this, you guys. Let's get into the video. Alright YouTube, to start this haircut off, I'm going to pin everything at the top. My client doesn't want anything cut off the top, so we're not going to focus on that. What we are going to focus on is the fade at the bottom. He wants an undercut, basically a mid fade. So what we're going to do is brush everything down first. That way you have a neater canvas to work with. So right now I'm putting in my bald line. I'm using my Wall 100 anniversary clipper with the lever open and just setting it directly in. The reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want to set a harsh line. I don't have time to try to take out that bottom line. So this is how I'm doing it. Now I'm gonna bald out up to the line that I created, taking off the rest of the bulk. Using my Babyliss Gold FX with the lever open, I'm gonna go up about 1 inch. I'm making sure that I'm real consistent all the way through and that I keep going over and over. That way everything is at that lever open length. So right now, before I get into setting my guideline, I'm gonna brush the hair down and go in with the 1 guard open. I'm gonna go about 1 inch and make sure I keep it consistent all the way through. Right now I'm gonna go in and do clipper over comb technique. What I'm trying to do is take off a little bit of bulk at the top. I'm trying to square it out because I want to create the illusion that it's actually going into the top. So after I'm done clipper over combing, which the clipper over comb will be a 2, I'm gonna put back on my 1 guard open and just flick out the top. That way I could get a little bit more smoother transition. So now with the 0 guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Keep in mind as you go up to open that lever. So with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now keep in mind that as you go up, adjust your lever. Next, I'm gonna use my Bronze Series 9 to make it razor bald at the bottom. Now I'm just going at the very tip of the bottom. This is gonna create another transition to your blend. It's gonna make it a lot more cleaner. So last but not least, what you want to do is take a step back, look away from the blend, all right? Refresh your eyes, go back to it, and do some detail work, all right? It's nothing like doing some detail work. Your clients will definitely know how you went the extra mile, all right? They'll see it, all right? That'll definitely set you apart from every other haircut or barber that's cutting that client. better front line. So right here, I'm going to teach you guys how to create that front line if your client really doesn't have like a little bit of baby hairs in the front. So right now I'm taking my comb, I'm going to pull down some hairs, but I'm not going to pull down a lot. All right, I'm just going to pull down like a 1/2 inch and, you know, lay it down. I'm going to put some spritz and brush it down, pin the hair back up, and then I'm going to line that hair up. Or sometimes you could even take the 1 guard and run it down, knock off all that hair, and then line it up. But right now, I'm just gonna lay my spritz down, brush it down, and just line it up as is. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be in the links in the description below. And also, if you liked any tools that you've seen in this video, the link will be in the description as well. Otherwise, it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.